Assalamualaikum guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add this type of live wallpapers or any type of live wallpapers in your Windows 11. So all you need to do is just go to your start menu and go to Microsoft Store. Here, search for lively wallpapers. Here select this and install the app, and if you already install it, just open it. After you have opened the app, you can just select any pre-installed wallpapers from here, like this fluid or this living room, where it actually plays the thumbnail of the video you're watching. Let's test it and select anything you want, like this video. As you can see, the thumbnail is right here, so which is really cool. Now if you want to add any third-party wallpapers, all you need to do is just go to your browsers and search for Moivals. Go to this first website. Here you can select any type of live wallpapers. Let's just go to resolutions and select 4K. So in 4K there are a lot of genres. Let's select anime. I actually like this wallpaper. Let's select it. Select download wallpapers. Select where you want to save the file and let it download. So after the downloadation is complete, all you need to do is open up this file, and here you have to get this app. Select on this plus option and select the file that you want, like this, and drag it here, right here. Click OK, and your wallpaper is selected. And if you just want to write it from here, select on this plus option, select choose a file, and choose any files that you wanted to, like select this, click OK, and the wallpaper will be selected. Now let's test the RAM usage. So let's click Alt plus R. As you can see, it uses a little amount of CPU and GPU. So if you got a decent setup, there's no problem. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Hit a like, subscribe.